Hey there, fellow adventurers and food enthusiasts. Welcome back to Travelporium, the ultimate destination for all your globetrotting dreams. Today, we're embarking on an unforgettable culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds and ignite your wanderlust. If you're a true foodie, this is the video you've been waiting for. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an amazing adventure. Our first stop takes us to the vibrant land of Brazil. Known for its festive spirit and diverse culture, Brazil is a food lover's paradise. From savoring succulent churrasco, mouth-watering feijoada, to indulging in the delectable acai bowls, your taste buds will dance to the rhythms of Brazilian flavors. Don't miss out on exploring the bustling markets where you'll find an array of tropical fruits and local delicacies that will leave you craving for more. Next on our list is the exotic Thailand. Prepare to be enchanted by the aromatic street food stalls that line the bustling streets of Bangkok. The tantalizing blend of sweet, sour, spicy, and savory in dishes like pad thai, tom yum goong, and the ever-famous green curry will take your palate on an unforgettable adventure. And don't forget to sample the local delights at the floating markets, where the freshness of ingredients is a testament to Thailand's rich culinary heritage. As we head to our next destination, Spain, get ready to be swept away by the passionate and flavorful world of Spanish cuisine. Indulge in the tradition of tapas, where each bite tells a story of Spain's history. From the sizzling patatas bravas to the melt-in-your-mouth jamon iberico, every meal in Spain is a celebration of life. And let's not forget the vibrant paella, a dish that perfectly captures the essence of this Mediterranean gem. Our culinary odyssey now takes us to the land of the rising sun, Japan. Immerse yourself in a world of precision and artistry as you savor the delicate flavors of sushi, sashimi, and tempura. Tokyo's bustling Tsukiji fish market is a sensory delight where you can witness the freshest catch being transformed into edible masterpieces. And for the brave souls, a visit to a traditional izakaya will introduce you to the soul-warming comfort of ramen and the bold flavors of sake. Bienvenidos a Mexico! Prepare your taste buds for a fiesta of flavors as we explore the rich and spicy cuisine of this vibrant country. From savoring authentic street tacos to relishing the complex mole sauces, every bite in Mexico is an explosion of taste. Don't miss the chance to sample the fresh ceviche by the seaside or experience the ancient flavors of Oaxaca's indigenous dishes. Mexico's culinary tapestry is a true testament to its colorful heritage. Italy. A country that needs no introduction when it comes to food. From the enchanting streets of Rome to the romantic canals of Venice, Italy is a gastronomic haven that will steal your heart. Indulge in the perfect simplicity of a Neapolitan pizza, savor the velvety goodness of handmade pasta, and let the creamy gelato transport you to Cloud 9. The Italians have mastered the art of celebrating life through their cuisine, and you're invited to join the feast. Our culinary adventure now takes us to the enchanting land of India, where flavors, spices, and traditions come together in a symphony of tastes. Get ready to be dazzled by the diverse regional cuisines, from the fiery curries of the south to the aromatic biryanis of the north. Explore the bustling markets filled with colorful spices and sample street food that will take your taste buds on a roller coaster ride. India's food culture is a testament to its rich history and vibrant soul. As we ascend to the top 3, let's make a stop in Pakistan, a hidden gem for food enthusiasts. The streets of Lahore, Karachi, and Islamabad are culinary paradise, offering a symphony of flavors that will leave you craving for more. Indulge in the sizzling seekh kebabs, the aromatic biryanis, and the indulgent nihari. The fusion of Middle Eastern, Central Asian, and South Asian influences makes Pakistani cuisine a unique and irresistible experience. Mesdames et messieurs, welcome to France, the epitome of culinary elegance and refinement. Paris, the city of love, is also a city of gourmet delights. Dive into the buttery goodness of croissants, surrender to the allure of escargot, and immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of French flavors. From the charming bistros to the Michelin-starred restaurants, France's culinary legacy is an ode to artistry and passion, and offers a delectable array of dishes that celebrate both taste and health. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, our number 1 pick, Vietnam. Brace yourself for an explosion of flavors as we delve into the vibrant street food culture of this Southeast Asian gem. Whether it's the aromatic pho, the savory banh mi, or the tantalizing spring rolls, Vietnam's cuisine is a harmonious blend of fresh ingredients and bold spices. The bustling markets and roadside vendors will beckon you to explore the soulful simplicity that defines Vietnamese food. And there you have it, fellow foodies, our incredible food tour across 10 countries that every culinary enthusiast must visit. From the sizzling streets of Brazil to the charming cafes of Paris, these destinations offer a kaleidoscope of flavors that will ignite your passion for travel and food. If you enjoyed this gastronomic journey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Travelporium for more captivating adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep savoring, and keep living the dream. Bon appetit!